Hello everyone, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. Today we are here for the discussion of solutions of Matrix Olympiad paper which was held on 6th of October 2024. So we'll start from class 8th and the subject is physics. Let us start our discussion. So in question number first, it is said a machine gun of mass 10 kg fires 20 gram bullets with a speed of 500 meter per second at the rate of 10 bullets per second. Okay, to hold the gun steady in its position, how much force is necessary? So by using second law of motion, I am writing here F is equals to N delta P upon delta T. Here P is momentum and the value of momentum is given by mass into velocity. So by putting the values, number of bullets are 10, mass of bullet, each bullet is 20 gram, converting into kg, we have to divide it by 1000. Okay, the velocity is given 500. So now solving it, it becomes 20 into 5, that means 100 Newton. So our correct answer is option C. Next question, question number 2. A force of 16 Newton is distributed uniformly on the one surface of cube of edge 8 centimeter. The pressure on the surface is. So we know that the formula of pressure is given by the force applied divided by contact area. So we know that the force is given 16 Newton, and if the edge of cube is 8 centimeter, then area will be 8 multiplied by 8. Converting centimeter into meter, it becomes 10 to the power minus 4. So P is equals to 16 multiplied by taking it into numerator, it becomes from negative to positive 10 to the power 4 divided by 64. Solving this, we get 1 upon 4 multiplied by 10 to the power 4. Okay. So on solving this, we will get, it is divided by 25 times. So it becomes 2500 Pascal. So correct answer is option B. Okay. Next question. Question number 3. A man is walking from east to west on a level road surface. The frictional force on the man is directed. So let's say this is east, this is west. Man is walking from east to west. So when man is walking from east to west, he is applying action force in east direction. Okay. And in response of which friction force will act on west direction. So we also say that walking is possible due to friction force. So correct answer will be from east to west. Option B is our correct answer. Question number 4. Assertion: the weight of an object changes from place to place but not mass. Yes, because weight is given by W is equals to mg, where m is a constant and value of g changes from one place to another place. So it is a true statement. The weight of an object is independent of the value of g. This is a false statement as we have discussed. So the correct answer will be assertion is true but reason is false. Option C is our correct answer. Next question. Match the following question. So we have two columns given here. We have to match the quantities. So an opposing force, we know that out of these friction force is opposing force. So I am writing 2 for P. A special shape of body in order to experience less friction. To reduce friction, bodies are made streamlined. That means for Q I will write 1. Grooves in a tire are used to increase the friction so that the vehicle cannot skid. So for R I am writing 3. Oil and grease, we know that lubricants reduces friction. So I am writing here for S 4. So correct code is 2134. 2134, that means option D is our correct answer. Question number 6. It is based on a paragraph and it is said here that Rohan starts cycling from center O of a circular path. So it is said that the motion is started from O to A. Okay. When he reaches at the edge A of the park, he cycles along the circumference and then returns to the center BO as shown in figure. So the path of motion is like this. Okay. So we have to calculate the average speed of Rohan. So average speed is given by V average is equals to total distance traveled divided by total time. So total distance traveled is first from O to A 1 kilometer plus then A to B, it will be 2 pi r divided by 4 because it is 1/4 part of circumference. Then he is returning from B to O, so that is also 1 kilometer. So this is total distance traveled divided by. Now we have to put the value of time, and the answer is given in kilometer per hour. So we have to put the value of time in hour. So in 10 minutes there are 10 divided by 60 hours. Okay, so V average is equals to, it becomes 1 plus 1 2 plus by solving this it becomes pi r divided by 2 divided by 10 upon 60. Okay, now putting the values of pi like 3.14, value of r is 1 kilometer, we will get the answer option C. Okay, next question which is based on same paragraph. If Rohan covers half of the circular path from edge A moving along the circumference and then calculate displacement and distance covered by him. That means if he is moving from point A to this point, let's see this point is let's say C. So in that case the displacement traveled, we know that displacement is shortest distance between initial and final position. So it is equal to the diameter of circle, and the diameter of circle will be 2 kilometer. Okay, so displacement is 2 kilometer. In case of distance, we know that the distance is half of the circumference, so it is pi into r. So we know that pi is 3.14 multiplied by 1. So correct answer will be option B. So we have discussed all the questions of physics subject. For more information regarding Matrix Olympiad, subscribe this YouTube channel. You can also join our WhatsApp channel. The link of WhatsApp channel is provided in the description of this video. If you have any type of doubt in any question, then press on Ask a Doubt button which is provided on your MOF profile. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone. Welcome to all of you on Matrix YouTube channel. Today we will discuss the MOF paper solution of class 8 which was conducted on 6th of October 2024. Now let's see the question. Yes, the question is, few characteristics of the three fuels X, Y and Z are given below. Okay, so the X is not easily stored and transported, and the other characteristics is it is extremely polluting. Okay, now let's see the Y. In the Y, can stored in tanks and transported through pipes, and it is produce almost no pollutant. Okay, now let's see the Z. Can be stored in tanks and transported through pipes, and it is moderately polluting. Okay, now let's see the option. Identify the X, Y and Z respectively. Okay, now let's first we will discuss on the X. X is not easily stored and transported, and it is extremely polluting. We know that LPG is not extremely polluting, so this option is a wrong option. Okay, now the next is natural gas is also not extremely polluting, so D is also a wrong option. Now next is petroleum. Petroleum is produces almost no pollutants, or we can say that it is moderately polluting. It is moderately polluting, not extremely polluting. So maybe it is also not a right option. Now let's discuss on the B option. In the B option, X is coal. We know that coal is not easily stored and transported, and it is extremely polluting substance. Okay, now let's see on the next. Next is natural gas. We know that natural gas can be stored in the tanks and transported through pipes. It is very comfortable with the nitrogen natural gas. Now next is natural gases produce almost no pollutants. This is also correct statement regarding natural gases. Now let's see the last one, petroleum. Petroleum can be stored in the tanks and transported through pipes, and it is moderately polluting. So the option B is the right option, because coal is extremely polluting and it cannot be stored and transported easily, and natural gas can be stored and it is almost no pollutants. And the next one is petroleum, which is also can be stored in the different tanks and transported through the pipes and moderately polluting. So the option B is the right option for this question. Now let's see the next question. The next question is, which of the following statement are true? In the luminous zone of candle flame, vaporized wax gets oxidized to carbon dioxide, which burns with a blue flame. Now, the second statement is there is no burning in the dark inner zone of the flame. Now, the next statement is non-luminous zone in the hottest part of the flame. Okay. Now, the last one is luminous zone of the flame is mainly due to the incomplete burning of carbon. Okay. So, now let's discuss on these points. First, we discuss on this diagram. Okay. Now, let's see the diagram. In the diagram, the outer zone is denoted as a blue color. Means the outer zone is known as the non-luminous zone. Okay, and this non-luminous zone is blue in color and complete combustion takes place here, and because of the complete combustion, it is hottest part of the candle flame. Now, the next one is the middle zone of partial combustion. Okay, middle zone of partial combustion means here partial combustion or incomplete combustion takes place, and this is known as the luminous zone. Okay, and the next one is third is the innermost zone of unburned wax vapors, which is black in color. Okay, now let's see the question. In the question, the first is, in the luminous zone of candle flame, vaporized wax gets oxidized to carbon dioxide, which burn with the blue flame. No, luminous zone is not in blue in color. Non-luminous zone is blue in color. So, the option first, or we can say the statement first, is a wrong statement. Now, let's see the next. There is no burning in the dark inner zone of the flame. Yes, this is a right statement. Now, the next is non-luminous zone is the hottest part of the flame. Yes, non-luminous zone is the outermost part of the flame, and it is denoted by the blue color, and it is and the complete combustion reactions takes place. So, this is also a right statement. Now, the next is the luminous zone of a flame is mainly due to the incomplete burning of carbon. Yeah, these second, third and fourth statement are right statement, but the first statement is wrong statement. So, let's see the option. First and third only, no. Second and third only, no. All of these, no. And the C is second, third and fourth only. Yes, the second, third and fourth statements are true statement. So, the option C is the right option for this question. Now, let's see the next question. The next question is assertion reason type question, and the statement of the assertion is, let's see the color of LPG flame is blue while a candle flame is yellow. Yes, the color of the LPG flame is blue because of the complete combustion. When the complete combustion reaction takes place, then the color of the substance is blue, or we can say the color of the flame is blue. But when the incomplete combustion takes place, then it would be yellow or orange. Okay, so now let's see the reason. The reason LPG undergo complete combustion while the wax undergoes incomplete combustion, means the assertion is a right statement and the reason is also a right statement, and the reason correctly explain the assertion. Because of the complete combustion, the LPG show blue color, and because of the incomplete combustion, the wax show yellow or we can say orange color. So, both assertion and reason are the true, and reason is a correct explanation of assertion. So, the option A is the right option for this question. Now, let's see the next question. The next question is, match column first with column second and select the correct answer using the codes given below. Okay, now let's see the column first. In the column first is natural gas, Q is slow oxidation, P is thermal power, and S is ethyl mercaptan. Okay, now in the second column, fuel smell, methane, rusting and coal. Means these are the different processes and these are the example of that processes. Okay, now let's see the column first and column second. Natural gas, we know that methane is a natural gas which is also known as a marsh gas, and the formula of the methane is CH4. Okay, so the P match with second option. Now let's see the next one. Slow oxidation. Rusting is a process in which slow oxidation reaction takes place, and in the rusting, the formula of the rust is Fe2O3.XH2O, means we can say that it is hydrated ferric oxide. Okay, so the Q match with third option. Okay, now the next is the thermal power. Okay, thermal power means coal is formed by the thermal power, or we can say thermal decomposition of organic substance into coke and coal. Okay, so the R is matched with fourth option. Okay, now the last one is ethyl mercaptan. Ethyl mercaptan is CH3CH2SH. This type of compound, okay, CH3CH2SH, means this is a functional group which is known as thioalcohol, and basically it is mixed with the LPG gas, because if we add, it has a specific smell. So because of this ethyl mercaptan, we can easily identify is there any leakage in the LPG gas cylinder. Okay, so the S match with first option. Okay, so 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. It means D is the right option for this question. Now, let's see the next question. The next question is paragraph based question. Now, let's see the paragraph. About 300 million years ago, the earth had dense forested and low-lying wetland areas due to the natural processes like flooding. These forests get buried under the soil. As more soil deposited over them, they got compressed. Temperature also rise as they move deeper and deeper. At high temperature and high pressure, the dead plant slowly got converted into a coal. This coal is processed in industries to get various useful products such as coke, coal, coal tar, coal gas, etc. Okay, now the question is, the slow process of conversion of dead vegetation into coal is called. Okay, so there are 4 options: carbonation, second is decarbonation, third is decarbonization, and fourth one is the carbonization. Okay, so there are 2 options: carbonation and carbonization. Okay, so the by these name, carbonation and carbonization, it's looking so similar name. Okay, so first we discuss about the carbonation. What is the carbonation and what is carbonization? Carbonation means addition of carbon dioxide gas. Means when we add carbon dioxide gas in any substance, then it is known as a carbonation. And basically in the different soft drinks, or we can say in the carbonated drinks, we add carbon dioxide gas at very high pressure. Okay, so the carbonation is a process in which we add the carbon dioxide gas. Okay, so the decarbonation is a reverse of carbonation. Now let's see this point, carbonization, or we can write like this also, carbonization. Okay, so the carbonization is a process in which organic material converted into coke and carbon by the thermal decomposition. Okay, so the carbonization process is different from carbonation process, and the slow process of conversion of dead vegetation into coal or carbon, we can say it is known as a carbonization. So the option D is the right option for this question. The next question is, paragraph is same for the next question. Okay, now the question is, an almost pure form of carbon is used in manufacturing of steel is. Okay, so there are the different forms of the carbon is given. First is bitumen, second is coal tar, coal gas, and coke. Coke is the purest form of carbon, which have around 98% or more than 98% carbon. So the option A is the right option for this question. For more information regarding Matrix Olympiad, you can subscribe our YouTube channel, or you can join our WhatsApp channel also. And if you have any doubt, any query regarding any question, so there is one more option, ask a doubt. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Hello student, welcome to Matrix High School. Today we discuss about biology paper solution for class 8th. Now start. First question for 8th class is, during the formation of bread is become porous due to the release of carbon dioxide by the action of yeast, bacteria, virus and protozoan. This type of porous condition by carbon dioxide release, but action of yeast. Our right answer is option A, because in anaerobic condition yeast release CO2 and CO2 responsible for this condition. So right answer is option A. Next question is, a good producer of citric acid is citric acid, Saccharomyces cerevisiae, no, Aspergillus niger. Option B is the right answer for citric acid. Next question is, removing chaff from the grain is called weeding, no, threshing, no, harvesting, no, winnowing. Winnowing is the method in this chaff removed from grains. So right answer is option D. Next question is, assertion A, weeding is an important process of crop production. Next, reason are, weeds do not compete with the crop plant for nutrient and space. No. Assertion A is true. Weeding is important process because weeds are unwanted or plant that consume nutrient from soil. So weeding process important process for crop production. Weed compete. In this, do not compete. This is wrong. So assertion A is true and reason R is false. So option C is the right answer for this question. Next question is, match column first and second. P, Jayad crop, crumbs, wheat, manure. And second column, big piece of soil related to crumb, weed, undesirable plant, manure, organic matter, and summer season Jayad crop, related to Jayad crop. So according to this matching, our right answer is P match with third, Q 1, R 4 and S second. 3 1 4 2 3 1 4 2 in option C. Option C is correct answer for this question. Next question is paragraph question. Our atmosphere has 78% nitrogen gas. Nitrogen is one of the essential constituent of all living organism as part of protein, chlorophyll, nucleic acid and vitamin. These are formed by nitrogen and their components. The atmospheric nitrogen cannot be taken directly by plant and animal because plant consume atmospheric nitrogen in the form of their component. Nitrate, nitrite, ammonia, so many components. Option, according to this paragraph, question first, nitrogen is absorbed by the plants in the form of ammonium, nitrite, nitrate, all of these. Our right answer for this question is D, all of these. Next question is, nitrogen fixation is the conversion of nitrogen fixation conversion of nitrogen to ammonia, nitrogen to ammonia. So right answer is B. These are the all solution for biology. And more update, subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.
Hello friends, welcome back to the Matrix Olympiad, which is conducted on 6th October 2024. Now we will discuss the solution of mathematics part for class 8. So let's start. Let's start question number 21. Question number 21 is multiplicative inverse of 0 is. So multiplicative inverse is the reciprocal of the number. So the reciprocal of 0 is 1 upon 0, which is not defined. So the multiplicative inverse of 0 is does not exist. Next question number 22. Rational number between 1 by 4 and 1 by 3. So let's check. First is 7 by 24. Yes, 7 by 24 is the between the rational number 1 by 4 and 1 by 3. When we get the rational number between 1 by 4 and 1 by 3, so first we make the denominators are equal. So here it is 3 upon 12 and it is 4 upon 12. We have to multiply this 1 by 4 by 3 and 1 by 3 by 3 in numerator and denominator. So we will get 3 by 12 and 4 by 12. We have to calculate the between two rational number between these two numbers. So we have to multiply by 2 this fraction and 2 this fraction. So we will get 3 upon 12 into 2 upon 2 and 4 upon 12 into 2 upon 2. So this is 6 upon 24 and this is 8 upon 24. In between this number 7 upon 24. So it is a rational number between these two numbers. So this is right. Next we have to check option number B, 0.29. So we know 1 upon 4 is 0.25 and 1 upon 3 is 0.33 bar. And 0.29 exists between these two numbers. It is also true. Next is 13 upon 48. So we have to multiply this number and this number by 4 in numerator and denominator. So we will get 4 3s are 12 and 12 4s are 48, and here we will get 4 4s are 16 and 12 4s are 48. So in these two numbers, the 13 by 48 exist between these two numbers. So it is also a rational number between these two numbers. So this is true, and this is true. So option number D is true. All of these options are true. Next, the value of x for which the two rational numbers 3 by 7 and x by 42 are equivalent is. So we have to put 3 upon 7 is equal to x upon 42. Solve this equation. So we will get 3 into 42 upon 7 is equal to x. So it is 7 6 are 42 and we will get x equal to 18. So correct option is A. Next question number 24, that is solve for y plus 6 upon 4 plus y minus 3 upon 5 equal to 5y minus 4 upon 8. So let's take LCM. So here LCM is 20. Now we have to divide this 4 by 20. So we will get 5 and multiply 5 into y plus 6 plus next 5 divided by 20 is 4. So we will get 4 into y minus 3 is equal to 5y minus 4 upon 8. Solving this equation, we will get 5y plus 5 6 are 30 plus 4 into y is 4y minus 12 upon 20 is equal to 5y minus 4. 5y plus 4y is 9y plus 30 minus 12 is 18 upon 20 is equal to 5y minus 4 upon 8. Next we have to cross multiply. So we will get 8 9s are 72y plus 18 8s are 8 8s are 64, carry 6, 8 1s are 8, 18 6 is 14. So 144 equal to 25s are 100y minus 24s are 80. So we will get here 144 plus 80 is equal to 100y minus 72y. 144 plus 80 is 4, 8 4 12, carry 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 224 is equal to 28y. So we will get y equal to 224 upon 28, which is equal to 112 upon 14, which is equal to, this is again cancel out by 2, so we will get 2 5s are 10, 56, and it is 7, so 56 divided by 7 is 8, so correct option is 8. Next question number 25, find the number whose fifth part increased by 5 is equal to its fourth part diminished by 5. So let's assume number is x. So fifth part of x is x upon 5 plus increased by 5, it means plus 5, is equal to the fourth part of number. So fourth part of number is x by 4 diminished by 5, it means minus 5. So let's solve this equation. So we will get x upon 5 minus x upon 4 is equal to minus 5 minus 5. Let's take LCM. So LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. So we will get 4x minus 5x is equal to minus 10. It is minus x upon 20 is equal to minus 10. Minus and minus are cancelled out. We have to solve this equation. So we will get x equal to 200. So this number is 200, which is option number A. So correct option is A. Next question number 26. In a 2-digit number, the digit at tens place is double of the digit at unit place. So let's assume the number is xy. Here unit digit is y and tens digit is x. It is given the tens place is double of the unit place. So it means x equal to 2y. It is our equation number 1. Next, if we exchange the digits mutually, then the number decreased by 18, then the number is. So if we exchange the digits, then the number is yx, and this number I have to write is 10y plus x. So this is new number, and this number is equal to the original number 10x plus y minus 18, right? So we have to solve this equation. So it is 9y minus 9x is equal to minus 18. Here we have to divide this equation by 9. So we will get y minus x equal to minus 2. Now we have to put the value of x. So we will get y minus 2y is equal to minus 2. So here minus y is equal to minus 2 or y equal to 2. So the unit place value is 2. So the x equal to 2 into 2, which is equal to 4. So the tens place value is 4 and the unit place value is 2. So the number is 4 to 42, which is option number D. So correct option is D. If the diagonals of a rhombus are 30 centimeter and 40 centimeter, then the length of each side of the rhombus is. Here it is given the diagonals of a rhombus, and we know the diagonals of a rhombus are bisect at 90 degree angle. So this angle is 90 degree. Let's assume this diagonal is 30. So this length is 15 and this length is 15 centimeter. And the next diagonal is 40 centimeter. So this whole diagonal is 40 centimeter. It is bisector. So this diagonal, this length is 20 and this length is 20, right? So here the right triangle is here. So we have to apply Pythagoras theorem. So let's assume this side is A. So A square is equal to 15 square plus 20 square. 15 square is 225, 20 square is 400, so side square is 625. So the side of the rhombus is under root of 625, and we know the square root of 625 is 25. So correct option is C. 25 centimeter is the side of the rhombus. Next, ABCD is a rectangle. Its diagonal meet at O if AO equal to 4m minus 5 and DO equal to 3m plus 3. Then find the value of m. So we have to calculate the value of m if the diagonals are given. So we know in the rectangle the diagonals are equal and bisector. So we know this diagonal is equal to this this is equal to this. So I have to write here AO is equal to BO because this quadrilateral is a rectangle. So put the value of AO. AO is 4m minus 5 and DO is 3m plus 3. By solving this equation, 4m minus 3m is equal to 3 plus 5. So we will get m equal to 8. So right option is C option. Given class interval 0 to 8, 8 to 16, 16 to 24, 24 to 32, ... then 24 is considered in the classes. We know in continuous time interval, the upper limit is considered in the next interval. So here 24 is the upper limit of 16 to 24. So this 24 is considered in next interval, that is 24 to 32. So correct option is B. Next question is, a bag contains X red balls. So here red balls are X plus 5 blue balls. So blue balls are X plus 5. Next is white balls are 3x plus 10. So I have to write here white balls are 3x plus 10. If the probability of drawing a white ball is 11 by 18, what is the number of blue balls? So here given probability of white ball is 11 by 18. So probability is favorable outcomes upon total outcomes. So here total outcomes is the number of red ball plus number of blue ball plus number of white ball. So let's add these three numbers. So we will get total outcomes are x plus x is 2x, 2x plus 3x is 5x, plus 10 plus 5 is 15. So the total balls are 5x plus 15 and the favorable outcomes are white balls. We have to given in this question given the probability of white ball. So probability of white ball is 3x plus 10. So the favorable outcome is 3x plus 10. So we have to calculate the probability of white ball. So it is 3x plus 10 upon 5x plus 15, which is equal to given 11 by 18. So next we have to solve this equation. We have to cross multiply. So 18 3s are 54x plus 18 10s are 180 equal to 11 5s are 55x plus 11 into 15 is 165. So we will get 180 minus 165 is equal to 55x minus 54x. So we will get 15 is equal to x. And in this question, what is the number of blue balls? So number of blue balls are x plus 5. So the value of x is 15. So it is 15 plus 5, which is equal to 20. So correct option is B option. Next question is, Rohit asked 20 of his friends about their favorite color. The pie chart below show the data he collected. What percentage of his friends picked blue? So for blue, the angle is given 144 degree and the central angle is 360 degree, and we have to find out the percentage of this blue part. So we have to calculate the 144 upon 360 into 100. So we will get 0 cancel out by this 0. 144 divided by 36 is 4 and 4 into 10 is 40. So this part is 40%. So correct option is C. The value of square root of 41 plus 54 plus 88 plus 128 plus 256. So let's solve this expression one by one. So first we have to solve this expression, this square root of 256. We know the square root of 256 is 16. Then it is under root of 128 plus 16. When we add these two numbers, so we will get square root of 144. So we will get here 12. So next is, it is 88 plus 12. So we will get square root of 100. Square root of 100 is 10. And here is 54. So 54 plus 10 is square root of 64. Square root of 64 is 8. So it is 41 plus 8. So square root of 41 plus 8 means square root of 49, which is equal to 7. So square root of this number is 7, which is option number A. Next, question number 33. Which of the following number is not a perfect square? So let's check. 612, it is not a perfect square number. 529, it is a perfect square number of 23. 900, it is a perfect square number of, it is a square root of 30. 100, it is a square root of 10. So correct option is A. 612 is not a perfect square number because the unit digit is 2. If any number have a unit digit is 2, 3, 7 and 8, then that number is not a perfect square number. Next, question number 34. Cube root of 1728 upon 2744. So first we have to find out the cube root of 1728 and 2744 by the prime factorization method. So here the number is 1728. So let's divide by 2. So it is 2 8s are 16, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, and the 216 is the cube root of 6. So we have to divide by 6. 6 3s are 18 and 3 6 6 6 are 36. It is 6 divided by 36 is 6. 6 divided by 6 is 1. So cube root of 1728 is 2 into 6. Similarly, we have to do prime factorization of 2744. This number again is divided by 2. So it is 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4. Again this number is divided by 2. So 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 6s are 12. Next is 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, and the 343 is the cube root of 7. So it is divided by 7. 7 4s are 28, 7 9s are 63, 7 7s are 49, and 7 1s are 7. So cube root of 2744 is 2 into 7. This 2 and 2 are cancelled out. So the value is 6 by 7. So correct option is B option. Next, find the cube of 7 is to 2 by 5. So first we have to convert this mixed fraction into a proper fraction. So proper fraction is 5 7s are 35. 35 plus 2 is 37. So it is 37 upon 5. Next we have to find out the cube of this number. So let's calculate the cube of 37. So it is 37 into 37 into 37 upon 5 into 5 into 5. So 37 into 37 is 7 7s are 49, carry 4, 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 4 is 25. 3 7s are 21, carry 2, 3 3s are 9, 9 and 2 11. So it is 9, 5 plus 1 is 6, 2 plus 1 is 3, it is 1369. Again this number is multiplied by 37. So 1369 multiplied by 37. So it is 7 9s are 63, carry 6, 7 6 are 42, 42 plus 6 is 48, carry 4, 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 4 is 25, carry 2, 7 1s are 7, 7 and 2 9, 3 9s are 27, carry 2, 3 6 are 18, 18 plus 2 is 20, carry 2, 3 3s are 9, 9 and 2 11, carry 1, 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. So it is 3, 8 plus 7 is 15, carry 1, 5 plus 1 is 6, 9 plus 1 is 10, carry 1. So it is 50,653. 50,653 upon 5 5s are 25, 25s are 125. So the cube root of 37 upon 5 is 50,653 upon 125. So correct option is A. Next question number 36. Joseph bought a scooter for rupees 8,400 and sold it at a gain of 6%. At what price did he sell the scooter? So the price of a scooter is 8,400 and he sold it a gain of 6%. So let's calculate the 6% of 8,400. So it is 6 divided by 100. This 0 and this 0 are cancelled out by these two. So 84 into 6 is 6 4s are 24, carry 2, 6 8s are 48, 48 plus 2 is 50. So it is 504. So the price of selling is 8,400 plus 504. So we will get 4098. So the sold it price is 8,904. So correct option is C. So here we have to tell the steps. The population of a place increased to 13230 in 2003 at a rate of 5% per annum. Find the population in 2001. So first we have to assume the population in 2001. So let's population in 2001 be X. So first step is this. Next is population in 2000 will be if in at a rate of 5%. So second step is this. Next is we have to calculate, we have to solve this equation. So we will get X equal to 13,230 upon 1 plus 0.05 square. So next step is this. And last we have to tell the population in 2001, that is 12,000. So it is step number 4. So correct is SQRP. SQRP is option number A. So correct option is A. Arrange the following steps in correct order to finding square root of 1296. We have to find out the square root of 1296. So first we have to assume let square root of 1296 is under root of 1296. So it is step number 1. Next we have to factorize of this number, prime factorization of this number. So we have to prime factorization of 1296 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into 3. Next, this is step number 2. Next, we have to arrange in a power and exponent form. So I have to write it is 2 square into 2 square. Let's make a pair. So it is 2 square, 2 square, 3 square and 3 square. So it is step number 3rd. And lastly, we have to tell the square root of 1296, that is 2, 2, 3, 3. That is equal to 36. So it is step number 4. So correct is SPRQ, which is option number B. So correct option is B option. Next question number 39. 3 upon 2 x to the power minus 1 plus 9 equal to 1 is a linear equation. Yes, it is a true. It is a linear equation, one variable linear equation. Reason is in a linear equation power of x cannot be negative. No, it is a false statement. So the right option is assertion A is true and reason R is false. Next question number 40. The discount percentage when maximum price is 900 and selling price is 873 is 3%. So let's calculate the discount percentage. So we have to subtract from this number to this number. So we will get 27 upon maximum price is 900 into 100. So this 0 and this 0 are cancel out. 9 3s are 27. So it is 3%. It is a correct. So it is a true. Next is reason is discount percentage is calculated using the formula discount percentage is equal to maximum price minus selling price upon maximum price into 100. Yes, it is a right formula and it is the correct explanation of A. So it is also a true. So option number A is correct. Next question number 41. First is all squares are trapezium. Yes, all squares are trapezium. So it is a true statement. Next is all rhombuses are kites. Yes, it is also a true. Next is all parallelograms are trapezium. Yes, it is true. All rectangles are square. No, it is not true. So it is a false statement. All squares are rectangle, but all rectangles are not a squares. So it is a false. So correct option is TTTF. So it is option number B. Next, cube of any odd number is even. It is a false because cube of any odd number is odd. Next is a perfect cube does not end with 2 zeros. It is a true. Next is if a square of a number ends with 5, then its cube ends with 25. It is also a false statement. It is not true for all values. Next is there is no perfect cube which ends with 8. It is also a false statement because the cube of 2 is 8. So it is also a false statement. So correct option is FTFF. FTFF is option number B. Next, question number 43. First statement is every fraction is a rational number. Yes, it is true. Every fraction is a rational number. Next is every rational number is a fraction. No, it is a false statement. Negative rational numbers are not a fraction. So it is a false statement. Every integer is a rational number. Yes, every integer is a rational number. So it is a true statement. Next is every integer is a fraction. It is also a false statement because negative integer are not a fraction. So correct option is TF, which is option number A. So correct option is A. Match the column. So first column is 8x plus 3 equal to 7. So we have to find out the value of x. So we have to solve this equation. 8x plus 3 equal to 7. So we will get 8x equal to 4 or x equal to 4 upon 8, which is equal to 1 by 2. So for P, third is true. Next is 7x plus 4 equal to x minus 4. So we will get 7x minus x equal to minus 4, which is equal to 6x equal to minus 8, or x equal to minus 8 upon 6 equal to minus 4 upon 3. For Q, fourth is true. Next is 5x minus 7 equal to 2x plus 8. So we will get 5x minus 2x equal to 8 plus 7. So 5x minus 2x is 3x, 8 plus 7 is 15. So x equal to 5. So for R, the correct is 1. Next is 3 into x plus 1 plus 9 into x minus 3 is equal to minus 8x plus 11. So let's solve this equation. So we will get 3x plus 3 plus 9x minus 27 is equal to minus 8x plus 11. So for solving this equation, we will get 9x plus 3x is 12x, and this is plus 8x equal to 11 plus 27 minus 3. 12x plus 8x is 20x, 11 plus 27 is 38, 38 minus 3 is 35. So we have to get the value of x, 35 upon 20, which is equal to 5 7s are 35, 5 4s are 20. So we will get 7 by 4. So for S, the correct is second. So the correct option is 3 4 1 2, 3 4 1 2, which is option number C. Next, question number 45, that is diagonals of a rectangle are, we know diagonals of a rectangle are equal and bisect each other. So for this, third is true. Next is diagonals of a square. Diagonals of a square are equal and bisect each other at right angles. So which is fourth is given. So for this, fourth is true. Next is diagonals of a rhombus. Diagonals of a rhombus are bisect each other at right angle. So first is true. Next is diagonals of a parallelogram. Diagonals of a parallelogram are bisect each other. So this is true. So correct option is 3 4 1 2, 3 4 1 2, which is option number C. Next, question number 46. The collection of observation, measurements or facts is called. It is called as data. Next is entry in data is called is observation. Next is the collection of observation collected initially is called raw data. And last is data handling means organizing data. So correct option is 3 4 2 1, so which is option number C. Next, paragraph based question. First question is a paragraph is given, p% of x equal to p upon 100 into x. So question number 47 is what percent of 24 meter is 6 meter. So let's assume x percent of 24 meter is 6 meter. So I have to write is x upon 100 into 24 is equal to 6. So by solving this equation, we will get 6 into 100 upon 24. Here 6 1s are 6, 6 4s are 24, and 100 by 4 is 25. So it is the 25% of 24 is 6 meter. So right option is B. Next, question number 48. Find A if 8.4% of A is 42. So 8.4% 8.4%, 8.4 divided by 100 of means multiply A is equal to 42. So here we will get A equal to 42 into 100 upon 8.4. First we have to remove this decimal. So we will get 42 into 100 into 10 upon 84. 42 1 ja 42, 42 2 ja 84. So it is 2 cancel out, 2 1 ja 2, 2 5 ja 10, 100 into 5 is 500. So the value of A is 500. So which is option number A. So correct option is A. Coming to the next question. The area of two squares are respectively 256 and 625 square meters. We have given the area of two squares, which is 256 and 625 square meter. The ratio of their sides is, we know the area of square is side square. So let's assume first square side is A and the second square side is B. It is given A square upon B square is equal to 256 upon 625. So let's calculate the A upon B, the ratio of side. So A upon B equal to square root of 256 upon 625. So we will get 16 upon 25. The ratio of their sides is 16:25, which is option number C. So correct option is C. Next, here the question is, if both the squares are joined, then the perimeter of the new figure will be. The first square is 16 centimeter side and the second square is 25 centimeter side. If we join these two squares, so we will get new figure, and that new figure is like this. Here it is 16, it is 16, it is 16, and 25 centimeter is the next square. So we have to join together like this. So it is 25, it is 25, it is 25, and it is. So from here to here, this side is 16, and from here to here, it is 25. So this side is 25 minus 16, that is equals to 9. So the perimeter of any figure is sum of the all outsides. So perimeter is 16 plus 16 plus 25 plus 25 plus 25. This 16, 16, 25, 25, 25 plus 9 plus 16. So it is 16 plus 16, 32. 32 plus 16 is 48. Plus 25 plus 25, 50. 50 plus 25 is 75 plus 9. 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 plus 9 is 22. Carry 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 7 is 13. So it is 132. And unit is given meter. So perimeter is 132 meter, which is option number B. So correct option is B. That's all for the mathematics part.
Hello student, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. We are here to discuss the solution of Matrix Olympiad paper of class 8 reasoning conducted on 6th October 2024. Hope you performed very well. So here we go. So question number 51. Look at this, look at the series 210, 209, 213, 186, 202, and next is missing. Which number come at place of question mark? So series is 210, 209, 213, 186, 202, and next is missing. First find the pattern. What is the pattern used in this series? So first find the difference between the terms. So 210 to 209, it means minus 1. 209 to 213, it means plus 4. Now 213 to 186, it means minus 27. Similarly, one difference between 186 and 202, it means difference is plus 16. Now find the next. Minus 1 plus 4, minus 27 plus 26. So according to pattern, numbers are being added once and subtracted once. So 1, it means 1 cube. 4 it means 2 square, 27 it means 3 cube, now 16 it means 4 square. Similarly 1 cube 2 square, 3 cube 4 square. Similarly 5 cube. Now minus plus minus plus and minus, so minus 125. So subtract 202 minus 125. So 202 minus 125, it means 77. So next term of the given series is 77. So here option B is the correct answer of this question. Let's move to the next question. Now next question is question number 52. Find the next term of the given series. So series is BAC GFH LKM and find the next. So taking first alphabet of each term. So first alphabet of each term, first is B. Now first alphabet of second term is G. After G next is L and next is missing. So place value of B in English alphabet is 2. Place value of G in English alphabet is 7. Place value of L in English alphabet is 12. So pattern is 2 to 7, it means plus 5. Now 7 plus 5, it means 12. Similarly 12 plus 5, it means 17. 17, it means Q, because place value of Q is 17. So first alphabet of the missing term is Q. Now taking second alphabet of each term. So A, after A next is F, after F next is K, after K next is missing. Place value of A is 1. Place value of F is 6. Place value of K is 11. So pattern is 1 plus 5, it means 6. 6 plus 5, it means 11. Similarly 11 plus 5, it means 16. So 16, it means P, because place value of P is 16 in English alphabet. So second alphabet of the missing term is P. Now taking third alphabet of each term. So take third alphabet of first term is C. Third alphabet of second term is H. After H next is M and next is missing. Place value of C in English alphabet is 3. Place value of H is 8. Place value of M is 13. So pattern is 3 plus 5, it means 8. 8 plus 5, it means 13. Now 13 plus 5, it means 18. So 18, it means R, because place value of R is 18 in English alphabet. So third alphabet of the missing term is R. So missing term is QPR. So QPR, it means option A is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 53. Which sequence of letter when placed at the blanks one after the other letter will complete the given series? In such questions, first put the options in the questions and then check the pattern. So first taking option A. Now according to option A, first blank it means Z, second blank it means also Z, third blank it means X, fourth blank it means Y, and fifth blank it means Z, and sixth blank it means Y. So X, Z, Y, X, Z, Y, X, Z, Y, Y, Z, Z, X, Z, Y. So no defined pattern found from option A. So it means option A is the incorrect option. Now taking option B. So according to option B, first blank it means Z, second blank it means X, third blank it means also X, fourth blank it means Z, and fifth blank it means Y, sixth blank it means X. So X, Z, Y, X, X, Y, X, Z, Y, Z, Z, Y, X, Z, X. So no defined pattern found from option B. So it means option B also incorrect option. Now taking option C. So according to option C, first blank it means Z, second blank it means also Z, third blank it means X, again fourth blank it means X, fifth blank it means Y, and sixth blank it means Y. So pattern is X, Z, Y, X, Z, Y, X, Z, Y, X, Z, Y, X, Z, Y. So pattern is X, Z, Y, X, Z, Y, X, Z, Y, XZY and XZY. So defined pattern found from option B, C. So here option C is the correct answer of this question. Let's move to the next question. Now next question is question number 54. Rohan walked 15 meter towards north. Then he turned right and walked 35 meter. Then he turns right and walks 35 meter. Then he turns left and walks 20 meter. Finally, he turns left and walks 20 meter. In which direction and how many meters is he from the starting point? Before starting this question, we should know that there are 4 types of main direction. This is north, this is east, this is south, and this is west. And there are 4 types of cardinal direction. This is northeast, this is southeast, this is southwest, and this is northwest. Now according this question, let's suppose A is the starting point of Rohan. Now Rohan walked 15 meter towards north. He goes 15 meter towards north. Then he turned right. Then he turned right and walked 35 meter and walked 35 meter. After this, then he turns right and walked 35 meter. He turns right and walked 35 meter and walked 35 meter. Then he turns left and walked 20 meter. Then he turns his left and walked 20 meter. After this, finally he turns left and walked 20 meter. Finally he turns left and walked 20 meter. And walked 20 meter. So this is the final destination of Rohan. A is the starting point of Rohan and B is the final destination of the Rohan. Now in which direction and how many meters is he from the starting point? Find the distance between starting point and final point. So find the distance between A and B. Distance between A and B is 35 plus 20. 35 plus 20. So distance between starting point and end point is 55 meter. Now in which direction? Find the direction of final point with respect to starting point. So it means find the direction of B with respect to A. So this is the east of A and this is the west of A. This is the north of A and this is the south of A. So B is in east direction from starting point. So 35 meter east is the correct answer of this question. So here option D is the correct answer of this question. Option D is the correct option. Now let's move to the next question. So next question is question number 55. A man is facing west. He turns 45 degree in the clockwise direction and then turns another 180 degree in the same direction and then 270 degree in the anti-clockwise direction. Which direction is he facing now? So starting facing of the man was in west direction. This is the starting facing of the man. Now man turns 45 degree in the clockwise direction. So clockwise direction total, find the total clockwise direction. It means 45 degree and turns another 180 degree in the same direction. It means he takes 180 degree in the clockwise direction. He turns 180 degree in the clockwise direction. So total clockwise direction is 225 degree. Total clockwise turn is 225 degree. Now total anti-clockwise turn is equals to 270 degree. Now find the difference between clockwise turn and anti-clockwise turn. So difference between clockwise turn and anti-clockwise turn is 270 degree minus 225. It means 45 degree anti-clockwise turn. 45 degree anti-clockwise turn. So he takes 45 degree anti-clockwise turn. So he anti-clockwise takes 45 degree anti-clockwise turn. So facing of the man is in This is the south, this is the west. Southwest. So man will be face southwest in the end. So here option D is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 56. Choose the correct water image of the given combination. So first find the water image of the given combination. So first water is always taken below the object. So now here is water. So now find the water image of given combination. So first find the water image of B. So water image of B looks something like this. Now find the water image of K. So this is the water image of K. Now find the water image of 5. So this is the water image of 5. Now next find the water image of 0. So this is the water image of 0. Now find the water image of R. So this is the water image of R. Now find the water image of P. So water image of P looks something like this. And now find the water image of 6. So this is the water image of 6. Now find the water image of 2. So this is the water image of 2. So this is the correct water image of given combination. So now here option B is the correct water image of given combination. So right answer is option B. Now let's move on to the next question. Choose the alternatives which most closely resemble the mirror image of the given combination. AB is a mirror. So AB is a mirror. So the part of an object is which is near to the mirror. So it will remains near to the mirror in the mirror image. So A is near the mirror. So it will remains near the mirror in the mirror image. So first find the mirror image of A. So this is the mirror image of A. Now find the mirror image of 4. This is the mirror image of 4. Now find the mirror image of 1. So this is the mirror image of 1. Now mirror image of 0. Again find the mirror image of 1. This is the mirror image of 1. Now mirror image of n. This is the mirror image of n. Now again mirror image of I. This is the mirror image of I. Now find the mirror image of R. This is the mirror image of R. This is mirror image of A. Now this is the mirror image of T. So this is the correct mirror image of given combination. So here option D is the correct mirror image of the given combination. So here option D is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. Now question number 58. In the final list of 60 selected candidates, Anu's rank was 35th place from the top and Binita's rank was 39th place from the bottom. How many candidates were between Anuj and Binita on the list? Find the number of mid-person. So there are two conditions for finding the number of mid-person. For first condition, if total is greater than to top position of the first person plus bottom position of the second person, then find the number of mid-person. So number of mid-person is equals to total minus top position of first person plus bottom of the second person. Now condition number 2, if top position of the first person plus bottom position of the second person is greater than to total, then find the number of mid-person. So number of mid-person is equals to top position of the first person plus bottom position of the second person minus total minus 2. So according to given question, total number of candidate is equals to 60 and position of Anuj from the top is equals to 35 and position of Binita from the bottom is equals to 39. Now here 35 plus 39, top position plus bottom position is greater than to total, it means 60. So number of mid-person, so number of mid-person is equals to top position of the Anuj plus bottom position of the Binita minus total minus 2. So number of mid-person is equals to position of Anuj from the top plus position of Binita from the bottom minus total minus 2. So position of Anuj from the top is 35 plus position of Binita from the bottom is 39 minus total, it means 60 minus 2. 35 plus 39, it means 74 minus 60 minus 2. 74 minus 60, it means 14 minus 2. 14 minus 2, it means 12. So it means 12 candidates were between Anuj and Benita on this list. So here option B is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 59. Which two signs should be interchanged with each other to satisfy the given equations? In this question, put the options in the question one by one and check which one will follow correctly. So first taking option A. So now according to option A, equation is 625, multiply becomes minus. So multiply means minus 5 plus means plus 93, minus becomes multiply. Multiply by 22 divided by 8 is equals to 42. So first divide the number 625 minus 5 plus 93, multiply by 22 divided by 8 is equals to 42. 22. Value of given equation is in natural number. Now product of these number is not a natural number. So that's why option A is the incorrect option. So now taking option B. So now according to option B, 625 multiply, it means divide, 5 multiply becomes divide. So multiply, it means divide, 5 plus 93 minus 22 divide, it means multiply, 8 is equals to 42. So using board mass rule, so first divide the numbers. So 625 divided by 5. 125 divided by 5, it means 625 divided by 5, it means 125 plus 93 minus 22 into 8. 22 into 8, it means 176 is equals to 42. So now here 125 plus 93. 125 plus 93, it means 218 minus 176 is equals to 42. 218 minus 176, it means 42 is equals to 42. Yes, 42 always equals to 42. So here option B is the correct option for the given question. So let's move to the next question. So now next question is question number 60. Choose a figure which would most closely resembles the unfolded form of figure Z. Now first unfold the figure Z, then we got Y. Now unfold the Y, then we got X, and find the image of X because X represent unfolded paper. So unfold the paper in the same sequence when it was folded and find the mirror image in each case. So first unfold the Z. So unfold the Z in this direction. Unfold the Z in this direction because figure Y has been folded in this direction. So unfold the Z, then we got Y. So unfold the Z in this direction. So when unfold the Z, then we got figure Y. And find the mirror image of this case. So this is the mirror image of this part. Now unfold the Y, then we got X, and X represent unfolded paper. So now unfold the Y. So unfold the Y in this direction because X has been folded in this direction. So it means unfold the Y in this direction and find the mirror image. And find the mirror image in each case. So mirror image of this part like this, mirror image of this part like this, and mirror image of this part like this. This is the unfolded paper because X represent unfolded paper. So here option D is the correct answer of this question because option D shows the unfolded paper. So option D is the correct answer of this question. So we have finished the solution. I hope you understood it well. If you have any query and doubt regarding the paper solution, please log in the website and click ask the doubt option and write your doubt there. And any new information related to Matrix Olympiad will be updated on this YouTube channel. So subscribe the channel for more updates, and you can also have new updates on our WhatsApp channel. To join, click on the links provided in the description box. Thank you so much for being here. Have a good time.